Here is how to convert a quote to an invoice in Xero step by step. Start by logging into your Xero account. Enter your account credentials and wait for the dashboard to load. Once you are signed in, go to the main navigation and find the Sales menu. Select Quotes to open the list of quotes in your account. This takes you to the area where you can view draft, sent, accepted, and other quote statuses, depending on how your account is set up. From the quotes list, locate the accepted quote that you want to convert. Open that quote to move into the full quote view. Make sure you select the correct accepted quote before continuing, especially if there are several quotes for the same customer or for similar amounts. Opening the quote lets you check the exact details that will carry over into the invoice. Take a moment to review the quote details on screen. Look through the customer information, item lines, quantities, prices, tax settings, and any dates shown on the quote. This is the point where you confirm that the accepted quote matches what you want to invoice. If something looks off, it is better to notice it here before creating the invoice. You are not adding a new step here, only confirming the information already attached to the accepted quote. Once you are ready, click Create Invoice. Xero will use the quote information to generate a new sales invoice. After the invoice opens, review the invoice details carefully. Check that the contact, line items, amounts, and any included notes appear the way you expect. If needed, make changes at this stage. This can include adjusting details that should be different on the invoice while keeping the original quote as your source. When the invoice looks correct, choose either Approve or Approve and email. If you select Approve, the invoice will be approved and saved in Xero, ready for your next action inside the system. If you select Approve and email, Xero will approve the invoice and move you into the email flow so it can be sent to the customer right away. Pick the option that matches what you want to do next. After that action is completed, Xero converts the accepted quote into a sales invoice. The invoice is now created from the quote with the approved status applied if you selected one of the approval options. At this stage, the quote has served its purpose in the sales process, and the invoice becomes the record you will use for billing and payment tracking inside Xero. The accepted quote has now been converted into a sales invoice in Xero.